Now we are discussing about agricultural options. In that, today we are discussing about biodiesel plant. This is most interesting and as well as very interestingly new inventors and as well as industrialists are struggling so much to get one biodiesel plant and to start a biodiesel plant. Biodiesel uses so many are there. It is a substitute to the petrol and diesel also. So now we can discuss about biodiesel plant. Biodiesel processed in a biodiesel manufacturing plant or biodiesel processing plant refers to the addition of a ethyl group to the aliphatic chains in vegetable oils or animal fats, rendering them equivalent to the properties of diesel. Next point is which plants are used for making biodiesel. Biodiesel can be manufactured from numerous oils and fats including virgin vegetable oils such as canola, soya bean and camelina, from waste cooking oils or from animal fats such as tallow or lard. So, vegetable oils is also mostly useful in biodiesel production, but it is costliest because canola oil and sesame oil, groundnut oils are 1 kilo virgin oil is around 300 rupees are there. But it is costliest when compared to the general diesel. So, but so many remedies will come and so many filtrations and so many inventions are going on for reducing the, for producing the biodiesel and as well as improving the fatty oils also. That is the significance. So now future is biodiesel plant or biodiesel only. And next point is how do you start a biodiesel plant? It can be set up in the following ways. What steps can be considered before starting a biodiesel plant? Complete research regarding the biodiesel production, formation of business plan, selection of location, that is most important, and company registration, factory licenses, pollution control board clearance, and explosive license. These are the most important. All these are the safety measures for starting a biodiesel plant. And next point is what is the use of biodiesel plant? Biodiesel blended in various proportions with petroleum based diesels is used mostly as a transportation fuel to power different vehicle engines. Other applications for renewable biodiesel fuel includes fuel filters, heating oils, oil spill cleanups, and biodiesel electricity generators. And next point is which plant is a source of biodiesel in India? Jatropha plant, Jatropha oil. From Jatropha plant itself, Jatropha oil will come. Jatropha oil has been used in India for several decades as biodiesel for the diesel fuel requirements of remote rural and forest communities. Jatropha oil can be used directly after extraction, that is without refining, in biodiesel generations and engines. So it is very useful, but this formation is also going on for the time being. Media is increased and YouTube channels are also discussing so many informations regarding biodiesel. By that, farmers are also interested to produce biodiesel. Jatropha plants also. And next point is what are 5 benefits of biodiesel? Using biodiesel as a vehicle fuel increases energy security, improves air quality and the environment, and provides safety benefits. Energy security and balance, air quality, engine operation and safety. One of the most advantage of biodiesel is air pollution will be reduced. And next point is what is cheaper biodiesel or diesel? Diesel is currently a more reliable fuel source than biodiesel. It is available at most refill stations, meaning you don't run the risk of not being able to refill your vehicles while traveling. It is also marginally cheaper and can be used by all diesel engines without damaging them. And next point is, who is the largest producer of biodiesel? The Renewable Energy Group, REG, is the largest biodiesel producer in the US with 5 plants and capacity of 430 million gallons. Total FAME biodiesel production capacity has fallen rather sharply since 2020, with a total decline of more than 400 million gallons. And the next point is, which engine cannot use biodiesel? The reason conventional biodiesel doesn't work in standard diesel engines is that about 95% of its constituent molecules are the same length and therefore boil at roughly the same temperature. And next point is, what is the price of biodiesel pump? Biodiesel pump at rupees 25 lakhs. That is approximate, I am saying, but it may be reduced for the time being by increasing the technology and equipment, and so many sister concerns are accumulating. The IRPM, interrelations and personnel management, is going on. All the equipment tools will come in different units and it will be assembled in one place. By that also, the biodiesel pump cost also will be reduced for the time being. And next point is, which is the cheapest raw material for biodiesel? Therefore, use of rice bran oil as a raw material for the production of biodiesel, rice bran oil, remember it, not only makes the process economical but also generates value added bioactive compounds. Isolation and purification of these byproducts make the process attractive and remunerative. And next point is, what are the 3 sources of biodiesel? Biodiesel is produced from vegetable oils, yellow grease, used cooking oils or animal fats. The fuel is produced by transterification, a process that converts fats and oils into biodiesel and glycerin. And next point is, how long can biodiesel be stored? It is also most important, how long it can be stored. Other cold weather strategies include using additives or lower blends such as B50 or B20. Use it or lose it. Biodiesel has a shelf life of about 6 months. Sealed opaque containers with minimal headspace to prevent water condensation are best for storage. And next point is, what are the 5 types of biofuel? That is, various types of biofuel is there. That is, first one is wood. This is the most basic form of fuel that is derived from the organic matter. Olive oil, in foreign countries especially, oil will be produced. The waste of the olive oil leaves and plants and trees also will be used as waste of the wood, that will also be used for production of biodiesel. And biogas, this is the gaseous form of biofuels. And biodiesel, the biofuel is liquid in nature, and ethanol and methanol and butanol, these are the 5 types of biofuel. And next point is, who is the largest supplier of biodiesel? Renewable Energy Group, REG, is the leading biodiesel producer by production capacity in the United States. As of January 2022, REG had an annual capacity of 345 million gallons. And next point is, does biodiesel produce waste? Biodiesel production doesn't result in a lot of waste. However, depending on the process and feed stocks used, it can produce some wastewater, minerals, resins, solids strained out of used oil and glycerin. This is the information regarding biodiesel. Nowadays, biodiesel is the future of all countries for transportation. So it is not the once we are thinking about the positive point in a welfare point, means biodiesel is the greatest advantage to all countries in transportation and in fuel consumption also. So we should bless and encourage all biodiesel engineers and mechanics and tool producers. All these we should encourage them by giving loans to them without interest also. We should encourage them, then only it will be useful. But all these will be done by IMF, International Monetary Fund, and IRDA. All these should take a decision, but before taking the decision they should have the complete information and constructive information with correct analysis, data, projection should be there. Then only the companies also, the great organizations of IMF and World Bank also will be ready. Always, any country and any bank will always allow this type of productive information, that is biodiesel production. Wishing you all the best.